Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on the potential difference across 2 points in a series parallel resistance network. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. Look at the series parallel network of resistances shown in the figure. In the upper branch, the two resistances are 1 ohm and 3 ohms, and in the lower branch, the resistances are 3 ohms and 1 ohm. This parallel combination is connected across a cell of EMF 10 volts and negligible internal resistance. We are required to find the potential difference between points A and B of the network. Now for the answer. First, let us determine the current drawn from the cell. Now the resistance of the upper branch CAD is equal to 1 ohm and 3 ohms in series, which gives RCAD is equal to 4 ohms. Similarly, in the lower branch, we have got two resistances, 3 ohms and 1 ohm in series. Therefore, the total resistance of the lower branch RCBD is equal to 3 ohms plus 1 ohm, which is equal to 4 ohms. Now we have the two branches in parallel. Therefore 4 ohms and 4 ohms are in parallel, which produces an equivalent resistance between the points CD, given by RCD is equal to 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, which is equal to 2 ohms. And it is given in the question that internal resistance is equal to 0. Therefore, current drawn from the cell is equal to 10 volts divided by 2 ohms, which is equal to 5 amperes. One can easily see that the resistance of the upper branch is equal to the resistance of the lower branch. Therefore, the circuit current, which is the current drawn from the cell, will be equally shared by the two branches. Therefore, if I1 is the current through the branch CAD and I2 is the current through the branch CBD, then I1 is equal to I2, which is equal to half of 5 amperes, which is equal to 2.5 amperes. Now, we can see that current flows from C to A. Therefore, C is at a higher potential than A. Therefore, Vc minus Va is equal to the current along CA multiplied by the resistance between C and A. So the current along C to A is 2.5 amperes and the resistance between C and A is equal to 1 ohm. Multiplying, we get Vc minus Va is equal to 2.5 volts. Similarly, current flows from C to B. This current is I2. Therefore, C is at a higher potential than B. Therefore, Vc minus Vb, the potential difference across C and B, is equal to current flowing along CB multiplied by the resistance between C and B. Now current along CB is equal to 2.5 amperes and the resistance between C and B is equal to 3 ohms. Multiplying, we get Vc minus Vb is equal to 7.5 volts. We are required to find the value of Va minus Vb, which is equal to Vc minus Vb minus Vc minus Va. Putting the values and simplifying, we get Va minus Vb is equal to 5 volts, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.